Hey there! Let's set you up with Brand24 so you can start tracking online mentions right away. Setting up a project is quick and easy. Just follow along and you'll be ready in no time. First things first, choose the keywords you want to monitor.
Just type them in and separate them with commas. Each word or phrase you enter is treated as a separate keyword, all collected under one project. If you reach the keyword limit for your plan, no worries, you'll get a notification. And if you need more, just reach out to our Customer Success Manager to upgrade. Next, pick the language of your mentions. If you want a broad overview, go with all languages. If you're only interested in specific regions, select just one.
Remember, there's a mention limit per project, so if you don't need results from every language, it's better to be selective. You can always tweak this later in your project settings, or use filters to refine your results.
If you want to monitor just one keyword per project, enter a single keyword, set up the project, and then repeat the process for a new project.
Some users prefer to track all competitors in one project. This method is effective if you're primarily focused on working through mentions. But if you want to run detailed analytics, it's best to have a separate project for each competitor. This way, you can compare results more effectively, spot trends, and get clearer insights. Not sure what keywords to monitor? To keep it simple, track your brand or product name for online reputation management. Monitor competitors and market keywords for competitive analysis, trend tracking, and market research. And if you're running a campaign, add relevant hashtags and campaign-specific keywords to measure its impact.